right, but I'm gonna see if it boots. My heart's racing. There's a red light coming from the GPU too. Hello YouTube, so in my last video I made this disaster and yeah, it wasn't booting and the GPU had a red light when I plugged it in. So hopefully, I'm at my grandma's house right now, so hopefully I'll be able to complete the build. And yeah, I need to fix this, and the SSD has to tilt to it, and yeah, I already have an idea of what I have to do. Yeah, and I didn't even connect the power switches. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take off this adapter and fix the GPU, because I think this adapter is up. I won't need this because I have a good power supply. I won't have to use this. And I plug this cable. I'm gonna plug this into here. There we go. Please no red light, please no red light, please no red light. Okay, no red light. I think I'm good. Let's go. Alright, so I just fixed the SSD. Now it's laying flat. I was wondering like why it was tilted, so I had to put something in there, then a screw on it so it could lay flat. So yeah. Now I'm gonna work on plugging in the power connectors for this part. Wait, no, not that. This part, so I could hopefully turn it on. Okay, I'm going to attempt to boot it up for the first time. Oh, still, wait, hold up. Let me see if now let me try. Oh, it works! It works! It works! Alright, so the RGB's not working on that one. It doesn't work. Okay. Let's go. It works. It works. Alright, so I just realized I forgot to plug in the one on the back. So I'm gonna do that now. And I'm gonna fix the RGB then. Afterwards, I'm gonna put on the washers. Alright, time to fix the RGB. Got the back fan to work. Yeah, now I need to focus on the RGB on the top. I got the front 3 fans to light up, but the AIO fans are not lining up even though I plugged them into a different slot. So gotta fix that. So I got the metal washers installed. Took a little bit, but yeah. And I think the RGB on the AIO fans are they need to be fixed with software, but I plugged them in. So hopefully it's just a software issue. But now I just need to wait for my replacement washers for this, and I think I should be good. Well, I got the washers on, so I think we're good, but I'm pretty sure I put the wrong screws on, but oh well. Alright, so it's Saturday, and I fixed some of the screws, I think. I think one of the screw holes on the radiator got messed up for me, so I had to use a bigger screw. And I fixed some of the cables that were in front of the fans. So now I just gotta install Windows. Hopefully this computer posts on the screen, because we're gonna have a big issue if it doesn't. And still the two fans on the radiator don't light up still, but they are spinning. So I think it's a software issue though, but yeah, hopefully everything will work out good. Alright, so I'm on my brother's laptop and we're downloading Windows 11. Hopefully this will work out. Alright, I just connected it. Gonna turn it on. Very nervous. Oh yeah, I forgot to flip the power supply switch, hold up. I got it to boot and it connected to the screen and it said press F1 to continue the setup. I got into is this the BIOS? I think this is the BIOS. Oh, it's on easy mode. Let me figure out how to install Windows now. So I think the CPU is overheating, so I think I need to plug this into the AIO pump instead of CPU fan. CPU temp hit 89 degrees. Yikes. I think that the washer I installed on the, like over there, I think it's too thick. So I think that might be the issue. I think I might have figured out the issue. The thermal paste is hard, I think. Test if it's hard. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's spreading. Can I just like spread it out? Yeah, I don't think there's enough thermal paste. Yeah, yikes. I think I need to reapply thermal paste because I did a bad job at it. Thermal paste reapplied. Let's hope this PC works. I just put on the washers again and I reapplied thermal paste, so hopefully it works now. Alright, so sadly, I forgot to bring my HDMI cable, so we're just gonna have to hope it doesn't spin. Let's go. Please be quiet, please be quiet. Okay. Oh yeah, it's quiet. Yeah, I think we're good. Uh-oh. It's ramping up. Maybe it's just right now, maybe I'll lower it down. But as long as it doesn't turn off by itself, I think I might be good. 5:15, it took forever, but finally the temperature was, oh no, it's 50 Celsius. This took me forever. Oh, yeah, let's go. It's working, let's go. This took so long, but I think it's worth it. Installing Windows, let's go! 17% done, I can't wait. Woo. I think I can just like update something. I think it's a software issue, not like a hardware issue. It said restarted, but it led me back to this screen. Hey, let's go. Oh. Ooh, I'm so relieved that I got this CPU to not overheat. This just popped up, so let's go. Okay, so when I enable the XMP, the boot times on my computer get really slow, but I think it's because of A1B1. A couple people on my last video commented that I needed to put in A2B2, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and hopefully I can enable XMP running it at full speed, because I think it was running at like 4,000 megahertz, not sure what, like with XMP on, and I'm gonna go ahead and hope that works. I really hope that works. Alright, good news. I got the RAM to run at full speed and it's not doing that weird boot thing. So thank you to the people who commented that on my last video. And yeah, thank you. I got the Ethernet to work. It just started working after like I replaced like the RAM stick, so yeah. But the audio is still not working. I think it's probably something like I need to configure, like the drivers or update it maybe. But yeah, I'll update you guys when I fix it. I couldn't open the video editing software I was gonna use, it says I need to update the GPU driver, so I'm gonna do that right now. I think these are all the drivers I have to install. Okay, so this popped up after I updated run driver, so yeah. I think I'm gonna test if the audio works now. Alright, so after just installing that one GPU driver, it feels so much faster. Now it's registering it, and yeah, it was registering it as a generic monitor, I think. And now it's running at 144 Hz. It said 64 Hz earlier, but it felt like 144 Hz, but now this just feels so smooth, like the animations, it's so smooth. So I think I was wrong. I think I just need to install either the studio or game driver, and I ended up going with the studio driver. Will it work? Will it work? Come on, 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 come on. Will it work? Come on, work. Work. I think it's working because it didn't give me that pop-up. Let's go, it worked. Okay, so I couldn't get the sound to work, but when I plugged my headphones into the monitor and then switched the sound input to the monitor, it works. So it's just the front, this scene, this, it's just this. I got the audio working now. I think I just had to replug it in, so yeah, pretty easy fix. Now I just gotta fix that fan and I should be good. Oh, I got it to work now. Got it to work now. Let's go. Thanks for watching, and also thank you to everyone who gave me suggestions on the PC. Like and subscribe with notifications on so you get notified the next time I upload. Bye.